Dr. Manmohan Singh was born on the 26th of September in 1932 in Gah in undivided India, currently West Pakistan, an economist par excellence. Dr. Manmohan Singh was Prime Minister of India between 2004 and 2014. He studied at the Punjab University in Chandigarh and then went on to pursue higher education at the Cambridge University initially, and then did his doctorate, his PhD at the University of Oxford. Between 1976 to 1980, Dr. Manmohan Singh was the director of the Reserve Bank of India, and then between 1982 and 85, he was the governor of the Reserve Bank of India. He was the Finance Minister of India between 1991 and 1996. The images that you see on your television screen, extremely important. From the time when he was Finance Minister of India, this picture especially, Narasimha Rao as Prime Minister of India and Manmohan Singh as Finance Minister of India. But this picture, once again, the controversies that followed Dr. Manmohan Singh in that, whether it was when his government was at stake, the Parliament trust vote, the allegations of money exchange, but this picture extremely critical as Finance Minister of India when India was on the verge of economic collapse in 1991. So he devalued the rupee, lowered taxes, privatized state-run industries, encouraged foreign direct investment, ushered in various reforms to transform India's economy. He was a member of the Rajya Sabha in 1991, was Finance Minister till 1996. He, of course, also fought elections, Lok Sabha elections, but lost in 1999. In 2004, it was Sonia Gandhi who said Manmohan Singh should be Prime Minister of India when the Congress-led alliance was chosen to lead the country. The alliance wanted Sonia Gandhi, but she chose Dr. Manmohan Singh. 2005, very critical period in India's history, and that picture that you'll just see with George W. Bush, when George Bush Jr. came to India and the India-US civil nuclear deal was signed, and he staked his government for that civil nuclear deal. It meant a lot for the country, not for Dr. Manmohan Singh personally, not for the party, not for the government, but for the country. That civil nuclear deal in 2005 was quite a game changer. It helped India enter the big club, the big league. He staked his government for it when the left withdrew support. Of course, the vote that took place subsequently led to many allegations of cash for votes, but he weathered that storm. 2009, the Congress and the UPA returned with better numbers and more numbers for the Congress party. So he was once again chosen to lead the government and the country. His second tenure as Prime Minister of India between 2009 and 2014. Again, a very critical period where unfortunately in the second term there were several allegations, whether it was the Commonwealth Games scam in 2010 Commonwealth Games, or the heat of the 2G or the coal scam, where Dr. Manmohan Singh, late Dr. Manmohan Singh, said history would judge him more kindly. And indeed, we'll be speaking to several analysts. History will judge him more kindly for all his hard work, all his effort to take India to newer heights. There are reactions that are coming in. Information that's coming in. Salman Khurshid, the former Union Minister, senior Congress leader, saying deeply saddened by the passing away of Dr. Manmohan Singh, former Prime Minister of India. His contribution to the nation and his dedication to public service will always be remembered. My heartfelt condolences to his family and loved ones. Dr. Manmohan Singh is survived by his wife, Gursharan Kaur. They have 3 daughters, 3 children.